Hello, myself Dr. Ravina Kalyan, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Physiotherapy Department. Welcome to our YouTube channel RPIT Academics. If you like the content of this channel, please do not forget to subscribe and share the content. So in this presentation, we talk about the various type of circulation in human body. So there are three type of circulation. First is pulmonary, second is systemic, and third is portal. And this diagram show the double circulation, that is pulmonary circulation and systemic circulation. In this, from tissue and various parts of the body, deoxygenated blood is carried by vena cava through to heart, and from heart deoxygenated blood is carried by pulmonary arteries to lungs for oxygenation. After that, from lungs, oxygenated blood is carried by pulmonary veins to heart, and from heart, aorta or various arteries carry the blood to tissue. Next, this figure shows the pulmonary circulation, that is from the left ventricle by pulmonary artery, deoxygenated blood is carried to lungs for oxygenation. Next is systemic circulation. It consists of blood vessels that extend to and from the heart, deliver oxygen and nutrients to body tissue, pick up CO2 and waste products. Next is portal circulation, that is circulation through the portal vein. The vein present between two sets of capillary networks is called as portal vein, and it carries blood from one location in the body to another without passing through heart. Its sites are liver, kidney, anal canal, hypophysis cerebri. Next is the hepatic portal system. It is a specialized part of the vascular circuit. It picks up digested nutrient and it delivers nutrients to the liver for processing. Next is the blood supply of vessels. By vasa vasorum supply blood to tunica advancia and outer 2/3 part of tunica media, and by diffusion inner 1/3 part of tunica media and tunica intima layers. Next are the nerve supply of vessels. Muscles of tunica media are innervated by autonomic nerves, and nervi are mostly vascularis. These are vasomotor, vasodilator nerve and sensory nerves. Next are the applied clinical anatomy. Blood pressure. Arterial pressure exerted by the blood on the arterial walls. Hemorrhage or bleeding means rupture of blood vessels. Venous hemorrhage causing oozing of blood, and arterial hemorrhage causes spurting of blood. Arteriosclerosis means stiffness of arteries. Arthritis means inflammation of arteries. Phlebitis means inflammation of veins, and aneurysm means swelling or dilation of blood vessels. Thank you.